In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Steam in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Steam. You'll be having this official site store.steampowered. Click it, and here to the rightmost top we'll be having install Steam. Click it, and here we are having install Steam button. Select this, and the setup file gets downloaded within a flash, just 2 MB in size. Open it, and we'll be getting the Steam setup. Just click on next and choose the language of your choice. I will go with English. Next, and this is going to be the default location where Steam will be getting installed. It's in local disk C and program files. So this is an important step. If you feel you don't have space in your local disk C, you can just click on browse and change the location to local disk D or E. Okay, so after setting the location, just click on install. This will take some time, just be patient. That's it, it's done in a flash. And check this run Steam and click on finish. So it's saying updating Steam and it's downloading, so just be patient for a while. So after this you will be getting Steam sign in. So if you already have an account, you can directly sign in. If you don't have an account, here we are having create a free account. Click it. So you need to enter all these details before creating an account. So once you sign in, you will be taken to an interface like this. So just go to store, and here you can search for any game. So for example, let me go with COD, which is Call of Duty. And as you can see, I'm getting all the Call of Duty games. And in case if you already have some existing games played, just go to library, and as you can see, I have played these two games. Okay, so you can just like download this game again and play it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.